Hello. Welcome to Everything Fact. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button.
The storage size for digital data is rapidly increasing. This increase in storage size has made it tough for people to find out the best way to store these large files. However, with the introduction of new technologies, this has now become easier for us. Find out in this video with this introduction to the new technology that will replace the terabyte in providing data storage. But before we get to all of that, click subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now you won't miss a thing. Most people don't spend time thinking about the smallest units of data, bits and bytes. But when it comes to data transfer or storage, most of us are concerned with the megabytes, gigabytes, or even terabytes. As data capacity increases, what size hard drive should you be looking for next? Data generally use the SI prefixes, also known as the International System of Units, basically, the artist formerly known as the metric system. Following this system, tera is the fourth power of 1000. The prefix after tera should be peta. Therefore, after terabyte comes petabyte. Next is exabyte, then zettabyte, and yottabyte. However, binary does not operate on the same scale as the SI. It is measured as powers of 2 rather than powers of 10. When computer scientists first started talking in terms of large amounts of data, they just rounded to the nearest SI prefix. Sometimes, technology manufacturers still round to powers of 1000, but are actually talking about powers of 1024. Special binary prefixes have been made up to correspond to powers of 1024 rather than 1000, but they're not used consistently. So when a hard drive says it has a capacity of 1 terabyte, it might actually be 1 petabyte. So what comes after a terabyte? Petabyte. But in some cases, it may more accurately be called a petabyte.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button.